This is a very good CR question. It says each of the following, if true, would weaken the conclusion. So first of all, we need to see what is the conclusion. So employee attitudes indicated that the machine operators participating in the program were less satisfied with their work situation after the program. Okay, so they are less satisfied with work situation. Okay, so as a result of this, people who participate in the program will be less satisfied with the jobs. So it's the work situation after the program, the quality program, which makes the employees, which makes the workers less satisfied. That is the situation. Okay, that is the argument, that is the reasoning presented here. So which of the following would weaken except, okay, so which argument will not weaken it, which option will not weaken it, that's what we need to figure out. So if we see answer option A, it says second survey occurred during a period of recession when rumors of cutback and layoffs were plentiful. So second statement says it's because of recession and fear of cutoff or fear of layoffs that makes them less satisfied. Okay, so this is actually weakening it. Okay, argument is it is the survey, it is the work situation post survey. Now it says it's because of the recession, so they would be less satisfied any which way. Option B, surveys also showed that those lark machine operators who neither participated nor knew anyone who did so reported the same degree of satisfaction. So even if the people who did not participate in the survey were equally less satisfied, this is also weakening this argument. C, while participating in the quality circles, machine operators exhibited two of the primary indicators of improved job satisfaction: increased productivity and decreased absenteeism. So option C says the reason of being satisfied or not satisfied is not the survey, it's the increased productivity or decreased productivity for less satisfaction, and decreased absenteeism, which matters for satisfaction. So this is also weakening the statement in some way. D, several workers who had participated in quality circles while employed at other companies, their work satisfaction had increased. So in other companies, the same survey would increase the satisfaction. So this is also weakening. E, I mean, if all these four are weakening, obviously E should be the answer, but let's see what is E doing. Machine operators who participated in quality circles reported that when the program started, they felt, okay, or they anticipated, or they were actually anticipating that participation might improve their work situation. So they thought that work situation would improve post survey, but maybe it didn't improve. So it is the work situation post survey which is causing them to be less satisfied. So this is actually supporting the argument. Here's your answer.